What did you do?
They're eating the dogs, the people that came in. They're eating the pets of the people that live there.
What is in your mouth?